Hello friends, my name is Chavi and I'm here to discuss some home remedies to prevent ourselves from a very common problem, and that is called cold. Yes friends, if we talk about cold, then any age, any individual, any gender can affect from cold. What are causes of cold? Yes, causes of cold: variation, changes in weather, dust allergy, or any kind of vegetable or seasonal fruit allergy. It can be a cause of cold, but we can prevent ourselves from cold by following some home remedies. Yes friends, I'm here to talk about some home remedies by which you can prevent yourself from cold. Friends, before telling you home remedies of cold, I'm going to tell you some symptoms. Yes, blockage nose, watering eyes, headache, fever or cough. But now, how you can overcome or how you can prevent yourself from cold? Here are some home remedies. So let's moving on our first home remedy. So our first home remedy is turmeric. Friends, turmeric is known as for its medical property. It's an antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic. It is very helpful if you want to prevent yourself in a cold. Now, how you use turmeric if you are suffering from cold? I'm telling you, take half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well with a 1 teaspoon of honey. You will mix it well and you can consume this paste twice daily. Friends, now let's talk about second home remedy, and that is garlic. Yes, garlic is easily available at home. Now how you use garlic? Friends, take 2 cloves of garlic, heat up in mustard oil for some time. After getting lukewarm, you can massage this mixture on your chest and your nose, and you will definitely get relief from your cold. Friends, now I'm moving on third home remedy in common cold. Yes, friends, if I talk about ginger, the ginger work very effectively in cold. You can make ginger tea, or you can boil this ginger in water for some time and consume that water to get rid of your cold. Now friends, I'm going to tell you fourth home remedy to get rid of your cold. Yes friends, you have black pepper at home. You can make powder of that black pepper. Take 1/4 of teaspoon black pepper and add this 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper in 1 teaspoon of honey. You can consume this twice daily for a better result. Thank you so much.